Hi guys, welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. I'm back with another Android accessibility tutorial, the 7th part. Okay, so this time I am with the app called Be My Eyes. This is basically an app which is used to help blind people. Okay, now what the app is all about? So basically daily life, lots of people will encounter, basically blind people will encounter documents, any board, text, etc. Okay, so if you want to read that kind of a paper or something, you can use this app. This app enables you to get a human friend to read aloud, read the whatever you want, text or note or a board, whatever. There are volunteers registered to this app. This is a great app. Now I will show the whole process. Now you have to create an account on this app, or you can use Facebook or Google to sign in. This is completely accessible, as I said, and if you are a sighted person, you can set up your account as a volunteer, and if you are blind, you can set up your account as I'm a blind or visually impaired. Okay, now you can call a friend. Basically there is a button called call first available volunteer. As I remember, you have to press that button, and whenever a first volunteer answers the phone, answers the call, you can talk to a real human who speaks your language. Now you can choose whatever your language if the app supports it. Okay, now in this time I'm going to be showing in the English language. Okay, so you can ask, can you read it to me? So you can point the camera to the thing whichever you want to read it aloud. So and then he or she will read it aloud for you. Okay, so you have to keep in mind some of the things. Don't be so silly, etc. You know about those things. Please mind your own business. These are real humans. You are dealing with real humans. So be kind, so kind hearted, so they will help you lots of. Okay, and also you need an active internet connection with reasonable amount of bandwidth, since it is a video streaming site. That means video streaming, you have to stream audio and the video. Okay, now since I am calling through my phone, I cannot record the audio, the internal audio of my phone, so I have to use an external recorder to record it. So I'm sorry if you didn't hear anything, because some of the audio, something will happen. So I will try my best to record the complete audio. Okay, so let's get started with setting my account. Now I will show how to sign in using the Google. Very simple. So you can set up your profile. There is a profile settings. You can name your name and personal information like email, etc., your primary language, secondary language, etc. So let's get started with the setting process, and I will show you how to get assistance from the app. Okay, and if you have any question, comments, thoughts, ideas, or app recommendations, game recommendation, please post it in the comment section. It would help me a lot to build my channel and give you quality tutorials about your request. Okay, so let's get started. Open the app, Be My Eyes. This is the app. Now I will provide the link to download the app if you couldn't find on the Play Store. Okay. Accept terms. To provide you with the best possible service, we kindly ask you to review and accept the Be My Eyes privacy policy and terms of service. Now if you want, you can read this privacy policy and terms on service. Okay, I tap in I agree below. I'm agreeing that I have read. I agree to and accept the Be My Eyes privacy policy and terms of service. I agree button. Let's click this. Be My Eyes, small acts of kindness with global impact. Okay. I'm blind or visually impaired button. Now this is the setting. I'm a sighted volunteer button, which you can choose. If you are a sighted, you can select this sighted volunteer, and I'm blind or visually impaired button. If you are blind, you can select this one. Now since I'm a blind, I will select this one. Visually impaired. The Be My Eyes app connects you with a sighted volunteer who will help you with tasks that require visual assistance from a sighted person through a live video call. Yeah. I'm new button. Sign in button. Now since I am not new, I will sign in. Now if you are new, you can check this new button and go along with the on-screen instructions. These are quite simple. Okay, so let's go.
Sign in with Facebook button. Sign in with Google button. Or log in using email and password.
Now I will sign in with Google.
Sign in with Google.
Okay.
Google Play Services. Choose an account.
Now you have to choose an account which are available on your device. So now I have my personal account and the Technology for Blind account. Now I have signed in using my personal account. So
Google Play Services.
Let's
sign in with Google button. Or log in using email and allow access. Allow access.
Now the signing process has complete. Now we have to allow access to the camera and the microphone in order to take calls.
Microphone and camera. To make video calls, give access to your microphone and camera. Give access button.
Let's give access.
Allow me to access the camera to take photos or videos. 1 of 2. Deny.
These are self-explanatory. You can click this allow button.
Allow me to directly access the microphone to record audio. Allow me deny. Allow button.
Allow.
Okay.
Now, if you want to get assistance from a sighted person, simply you have to click this button, call first available volunteer. Okay. So this is an area something. Let's click what? Let's see.
Customer support made better with Be My Eyes. Specialized help is a new feature that allows you to connect directly to companies' customer support representatives if you have any questions or issues specific to their product or service.
Yeah, this is self-explanatory. Now
Be My Eyes will put you in touch with the company's customer support through a live video call. This service is free for you to use.
I don't know much about this service because I haven't used it. This will not be required at the time of the recording.
We are always aiming to grow the Be My Eyes community. If there are companies that you may seek assistance from and would like them to be.
Let's come back.
Specialized help. Navigator button. Specialized help. Back. Be My Eyes. Special. Selected.
Home.
Stories.
Stories means the users of this app will provide their testimonials, experiences, etc. You can read it from this area. Settings. Now let's go to the settings.
Settings. Selected. Settings. Settings. Section name. Profile. Personal details.
Now these are personal details. My personal details.
Change password.
Change password.
Notification. Section name. Languages. Notifications.
Notification. These are self-explanatory.
Primary language. English. When you request help, you will be connected to the first available volunteer who speaks your primary language. Other languages. In the unlikely situation where there are no available volunteers who speak your primary language, we can try to connect you to someone speaking your secondary language. If you speak other languages, please add them here. Section name, support and feedback. Fact.
Okay.
Send a back button. Home.
Okay. Now let's call the available first volunteer. Now I have a small paper with me. Okay. Hi.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you help me with this reading?
Yeah, sure. The thing is, I can't see it very clearly. If you put on your flashlight. Okay, I got it.
Thank you.
Hold on.
Is it the correct way I'm holding?
You're holding it the correct way. It's just that the picture is not very clear.
Okay.
I'll read it to the best of my ability. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Find a technician with 2 children.
Okay.
A grandmother who lives in hell.
Okay.
In hell, yeah. A 24-year-old nurse.
Okay.
An electrician who plays the guitar.
Okay.
A policewoman who lives in Oxford.
Mm-hmm.
A lazy student.
Okay.
A 54-year-old housewife.
Mm-hmm.
An accountant who likes fishing.
Yes.
A fireman who likes. I'm not sure of this word. I think it's jocks. The thing is, the image is not very clear, so
Okay, okay, doesn't
I
matter.
think it says jocks, but I'm not sure.
Okay,
Or jocks. A married teacher.
okay,
A teacher who lives in Liverpool.
yeah,
A librarian who likes crossroads.
yes,
Or crosswords. I think it's crosswords. I'm sorry.
okay,
It's
okay, yeah,
crosswords.
yeah,
A secretary who is also a pianist.
uh-huh,
A hard-working bank manager.
yes,
An actress who lives in Plymouth.
yeah,
A 37-year-old doctor with 2 children.
that's all.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
it.
yeah, thank you very much. You have done a great job.
Alright.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay,
Take care. Bye.
welcome. Okay, now we have done a successful job by now it asks let us know your feedback. So my feedback is not shared with other one. No. Yes. Let's say that I had a good call. Okay, so this is how you can use this app. Okay, so I would like to try another way to use this app. Okay, now let's get started with that also. Okay, okay, now I have got a paper. This is a kind of a test paper. Okay, so let's try to read with a volunteer. Now you need an active internet connection, remember it. Okay, now there is no any buttons to turn on the flashlight. I think it will turn on automatically. Okay, now in my previous recording the flashlight turns on automatically. Here's my paper, as you can see. Okay, no, still we didn't get a volunteer. Excuse me. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Can you read this to me little bit?
Can't see the document properly.
What can I do for that?
You can take it a little closer.
Okay.
What's the page? It says paper 1, read and write.
Okay.
And part 1. I'm sorry, the printing isn't all that clear.
Okay, doesn't matter.
I think it says number 1. I'm sorry, could you take it a little closer, please?
Okay.
We may have the bag you lost. Number 2, you can come here 6 days a week. Number 3, you can always buy things. I'm sorry, it's not very clear. Cheaply, I think, here.
Okay. Yeah.
Is this a practice call?
Sorry.
Is this a practice call or?
I didn't get you.
Okay, is there anything I can help you? Anything else I can help you with?
No. Thank you very much. I think looks like it is hard. Doesn't matter. Thank you very much. You have done a great job.
Okay.
Okay. Sometimes you will encounter such like situations where sometimes your paper will will be not clear, or your lighting is not good. So if you are completely blind, try to be more humorous and talk with the volunteer so they can help you to align the paper, position the paper and read it. Now since I'm little partially blind, I could position the paper to read properly, but unfortunately the paper is not clear as good. Okay, so I had a good call. Okay, now lots of a time this app may be useful for your daily situations, like reading boards, reading any prescriptions, etc. So thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have gained some knowledge. If you have any questions, comments, ideas, please add a comment. And if you have any recommendations, game recommendations, app recommendations, or any questions related to apps, Android, please post it in the comment section. I am glad to reply, and I will be happy to do a tutorial related to your questions. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Signing out, Mohomed Rashad.